following me?
Yes, so I've just seen you. We've gone to Peter Street. You're swerving in and out of the traffic quite a bit. We're just concerned about your manner driving. Yes,
Where's Peter Street?
where all the clubs are.
Oh, I don't
Just
know
pull
that.
around the corner for us. Follow this van, yeah. You okay?
You following me?
Yes, so I've just seen you. We followed you from Peter Street. You're swerving in and out of the traffic quite a bit. We're just concerned about your manner driving.
I think not.
You're swerving in and out of the traffic quite a bit.
I think not.
You're swerving in and out of the traffic quite a bit.
I think not.
You think I was going to do a runner or something?
Well, that's what I was worried about. And I'm thinking, if you make off, there is not a cat in hell's chance
Yeah.
at all.
It's quick.
It is, it's never going to happen.
As soon as I seen
That's
it
why
when
we've
you,
got you in front.
I seen you
can't go.
signalling, and I was just like, this doesn't add up. This, and
No.
when he came along, and you was, I was like, I think I'm getting pulled.
Yeah, bless you. I didn't mean to scare you. I'm sorry.
No, it's right.
Yeah, maybe these matters.
Yeah.